Hello my dear children, good morning everyone and welcome back to the EVS class. Children, today in our EVS class, I will tell you that what are the topics we have in EVS for our upcoming second duty exam. Okay, so we will prepare those topics for our upcoming exam. So everyone hold your book and see that we have 3 topics for our UT exam. Okay, there are a school, community helpers and birds and insects. Okay, so in these 3 topics we have already completed a school. Okay, now today I will start a new topic that is called birds and insects. Okay, in this topic today I will tell you about different types of birds. Okay, so you want to know, you want to see different types of birds. Okay, so children, let's start. I am going to show you some birds pictures with their names. Okay, so everyone see the pictures carefully and identify the bird and say their names with me loudly. Okay, so let's see the pictures.
This bird is called hen. H-E-N, hen. Next bird name is penguin. P-E-N, peng, G-U-I-N, queen, penguin. Next bird name is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Next bird is called crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Next bird is called crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next bird is called kingfisher. K-I-N-G, king, F-I-S-H-E-R, fisher, kingfisher. Next bird is called flamingo. F-L-A-M, flam, I-N-G-O, ingo, flamingo. Next bird is called turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, key, turkey. Next bird name is hummingbird. H-U-M, hum, M-I-M-G, mim, hummim, B-I-R-D, bird, hummingbird. Next bird is called duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Next bird name is hornbill. H-O-R-N, horn, B-I-L-L, bill, hornbill. Next bird is called goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Next bird is called pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next bird is called albatross. A-L-B-A, alba, T-R-O-S-S, tross, albatross. Next bird is called peacock. P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K, cock, peacock. Next bird name is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next bird is called robin. R-O-B-I-N, robin. Next bird name is ostrich. O-S, os, T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Next bird is called swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Next bird is called sparrow. S-P-A-R-O-W, sparrow. Next bird name is owl. O-W-L, owl. Next bird is called toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N, can, toucan. Next bird is called vulture. V-U-L, T-U-R-E, chur, vulture. Next bird is called woodpecker. W-O-O-D, wood, P-E-C-K-E-R, pecker, woodpecker. So children, today we have learned bird names. So learn the names. Thank you everyone.